Okay, this is a video to kind of show our progress. Look at that, we got a road. It's 250 feet long. Here's the other side of the culvert system. There's our three 36-inch culverts. We're not quite done with those yet. We have to do the concrete end caps or end treatments. So we've done not only the road, but also we've done a lot of trenching. So this is going to go back to a spot where they're going to put the power pole to bring the power into the property. So, and that's going to be over here. So here's the power pole. They're going to set one right over here, pretty close. The water meter is going to be out here at the end of this trench. So we run the power and the water in the same trench. So this one here is about 200 feet long over to the house. So we got a junction here. This one out here to the road there. The reason why I want some conduit, some power in this one is because we're going to put some lights out there eventually. So then, of course, we had to cut through the trees so we can get the rock saw in here. And to tell you the truth, the only place where we got rock was back over there. So all this we cut with the rock saw, and it's clay, which I really don't like. But anyways, there's a little rock there that it cut through. Anyways, so we come all the way back here. We have another junction here, and that's going to go back there to the shop. But over here we continue on, and we come over here, go underneath our driveway, and gonna put a temporary power pole over there. And here's our house location. We cut down a bunch of trees and got some burn piles here. So it's about 6:30, 7 o'clock at night. I went to Lowe's and Home Depot and robbed every piece of 3-inch, 2.5-inch, and 1-inch water line to be able to get everything in the ground. So if you're not familiar with a rock saw, this is a rock saw. So it's got these teeth on here, you can see right here, that cuts through the rock, and it does a pretty darn good job. All made out of carbide. So we're going to try to get all this pipe in the ground tomorrow, and maybe even get it buried. So what we do is we put the pipe in the ground, we run some poly rope in there. So here's the junction here. This goes up to where the shop is going to be. So we had a tree here we had to take out, and this is like 300 feet from the power source. So we got a lot of conduit going in the ground. And then it ends up there a little bit. I don't know exactly where we're going to put the shop, but at least I can get the conduit, and also I'm going to be running water to the shop as well. So anyways, that is kind of a update of the stuff that we've done. Here's the spot where the house is going to go again, and that is it. Doesn't sound like much, but I'm telling you how much work it was.